Located in Nassau County, Hempstead is where local businesses stay busy and people work hard to keep things moving. From busy avenues lined with food spots and auto shops to hands-on service providers working day and night, the drive to deliver is constant. So when it's time to hire new talent, upgrade your space, or expand your services, waiting on funding just isn't an option. That's where New York Fast Funding steps in, offering flexible capital built to match your pace. We keep things practical. No confusing steps, no surprises with your credit. Just quick answers, real decisions, and easy funding that shows up right when your business needs it. If your business brings in at least $10,000 a month and has been operating for 6 months or more, you're already on the right track. Opportunities don't wait in Hempstead, and neither should your financing. We're here to help you act when it counts. From Hempstead to business communities across the state, New York Fast Funding is your partner for fast, dependable, and flexible financing. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.